So hey guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can stake Umee token UMEE on OKX chain and earn up to crazy APY. Okay, so you can earn up to 530% APY on Umee tokens. Okay, so first of all, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you don't have account on OKX chain, link in the description. Make sure to click on the link and you will see this page. Okay, so if you create account through my link, you can claim $10 in Bitcoin instant, and you can claim up to $25 welcome bonus. Okay, so right here just enter your email password and just create your account. Okay, so click on continue to create your account. After creating account, you just have to click open OKX exchange. Okay, so download the application from the Play Store. Okay, so you will see this interface right here. Okay, so here you just have to click on earn option. Okay, so if I click on earn option, you can see all the tokens that you can stake on OKX exchange. Okay, so here you can see all the different features of OKX exchange. Okay, so here are saving options, flash deals, staking, and different options. So in the upper search bar, you just have to click and search any coin. Okay, so if I just search on here, and you just have to search UMEE token. Okay, so if I just click on and search UMEE, you can see that you will earn exactly 530% APY on your UMEE tokens. Okay, so if you want to stake, just click on here and you can see different terms. Okay, so if you want to stake for only 7 days, you can see that you will earn almost 530% APY for 7 days, and you can stake your Umee tokens within 2 days and 19 hours. Okay, so make sure to stake your tokens if you want to get 530% APY for 7 days. Okay, so just scroll down and you can see 3 different terms. First one is 60 days. If you want to stake your tokens for 60 days, you will earn 255% APY. Okay, and if you want to stake for 30 days, you can see that you will earn almost 122% APY. And in the last term, if you stake your tokens for 15 days, you will earn 65% APY. Okay, so here there are 4 terms for which you can stake your Umee token. So if you want to stake for 60 days, just click on subscribe option. Okay, so if I just click on subscribe option, you will see this new interface. Here you can see all the details. So here you can see the minimum you can stake is 1 UMEE token, and the maximum you can stake is 4,835 tokens. So if I stake, let's say just click on here, if I stake 4,000 UMEE tokens, you can see that I will earn almost 28 Umee tokens per day daily. It is automatically transferred to my sport account. I don't have to claim my reward every day. It is auto transfer to my account. Okay, so almost 28 UMEE tokens per day if I stake my 4,000 Umee tokens for 60 days. Okay, right here. So if you want to stake, just enter your amount here and click on subscribe button, and your tokens will be staked and you will start earning profit daily. Okay, so and that's how you can stake your UMEE tokens. And if you want to stake for 30 days, you just have to click on 30 days term. Okay, so if I click on 30 days, you can see that I can stake maximum 8,000 UMEE tokens for 30 days term, and you can see that I will earn 122% APY. So if you want to stake tokens, you just have to enter your tokens, enter the amount of tokens that you want to stake, and you can see that I will earn about 16 Umee tokens per day. Okay, so if you want to stake for 15 days, the process is same. Just enter your amount of tokens that you want to stake and click on subscribe button. So this is a video that how you can stake your UMEE tokens on OKX exchange. So UMEE staking is not available on any other exchange, so make sure to stake your tokens as soon as possible. So link in the description. Make sure to create account through my link to get extra $25 welcome bonus and $10 in Bitcoin instant. Okay, so that's all in this video. Take care.